If you're thinking of replacing your household plastic switches for metal switches, it's vitally important that you earth the metal switch that you're going to fit. As you can see here, these plastic switches, these don't have an earth terminal on the back, okay? Because they're insulated, they don't get earthed. You see the earth has just been run to the back box there. So let me go show you the metal switch now and how it should look. So this is a metal switch here, and as you can see, there's an earth terminal on it there. So you must take an earth wire from that terminal to the earth wire on the back box. Okay? Do not fit a metal switch without doing that. If you do, and one of these live wires comes out of its termination and touches the metal faceplate of the switch, it'll become live. Okay, but before you're doing any of this, make sure you isolate the circuit and test for dead. Okay? Any questions, leave me a comment and I'll answer them. And check out my other electrical videos. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.